Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and make music with Gemini. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gemini application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Gemini, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, you are going to go and be greeted by this prompt page right here from where we can get started inputting our prompts. So let's go and take a look at how to make music with Gemini. So you can make custom music using the Create Music tool, and the Create Music tool is going to appear right here in the prompt page. But first, keep in mind you need to go ahead and log into your Google account. So if you do not already have one, you can go and create one, but you need to be logged in to be able to use the prompt. And from this prompt page, we can click the plus button right here at the left side of the screen. By clicking the plus button, it's going to open up this new menu from where we have the images section and the music section, as you can see right here. That's going to enable you to make audio tracks. So you can go and click on music, and now you can go and describe your track. As you can see right here at the bottom page, we have the prompt to describe your track. So tell it what kind of track you want, what kind of genre you want, and so on, what kind of singer voice you want, and so on. All of that is going to be available. You can give it the lyrics and so on, and just like that, you're going to be able to send your prompt and it's going to create your track, give it to you, you're going to be able to download it, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.